Hello, hello, welcome to the Almost Homestead. Today I am getting ready for the Winter Indoor Gardening Challenge. So we've got this grow light, came from Amazon. First we gotta cut it open. I think I may have my camera a little high for this, but we'll see. There we go. So this one doesn't have a brand name or anything, it's just a grow light from Amazon. Little remote control, LED grow light is its name. It has no real instructions, and it apparently comes in pieces. So this is the one that's actually like the grow light tree. Okay, so, and it has a second remote. Okay. This would have been great with instructions, I'm just saying. Okay, so we've got our little grow light tree lights. Okay, and then got a plug. Got a surge protector down here, all ready for all the things we've got to do. And then this is the tripod thing, which I wanted to get set up before I did anything else, because I wanted to make sure how tall it would get. So I guess the tripod and this just kind of fit together. Do you screw them on? Oh wow, and that just randomly crashed. So let's see. Think you tighten that maybe? Okay, and then I don't see a button or anything. This seems not ideal. And I guess maybe it just sits all wobbly like that. Ooh. And I'm pushing it down and that's not helping. Oh, maybe. So there's a little, yeah, there we go. Okay. So apparently this screws together. There we are. Now this one's cool because it's on a timer. No, stay. Okay. And that'll be pretty fun because I will not have to shut this one off at night, which will be nice. I mean, I'll still have to shut off the others, but still. Okay, so these can be pretty high, which was my question, because I wanted to make sure, I'm just tightening up the things. I wanted to make sure before I set up my actual shelving how high I could put my top plants. Because in a perfect world, I would like them, there's a window up here. I would like them to be reasonably close to the window, but also getting light from the light tree. And I think that'll be a good fit because then they'll get legit natural light, but they'll also be supplemented by this. And that's for the ones, my cayenne peppers that I brought in at the end of the year. They are sickly and in need of repair because I have forgotten to water them pretty often. But I think that this might help. So, okay, next I think I need to put up the shelving. So, 1 second, let me get the supplies together and I will be back. So I've got all my basic supplies. I have the posts. I have the shelves. And I have these nifty little thingies that keep the shelves in place. So I think because I'm doing this by myself, I am going to set it on the floor and try it that way. The last time we used one of these, I was helping a friend who has a greenhouse, and it was 3 of us putting one of these together. So it's going to be interesting seeing how it works solo. So what I just did is I went to the window, figured out how high I want my plants to be, and I took one of these little doohickeys. There is a clear mark that says top with a little arrow. And then I have to see where it was. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'd counted it so I could do all the other ones the same. But you just put the 2 parts on. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, let me do this to the others. And then we'll have to change the camera angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, now I'm going to move these to the floor. All right, so we're going to put the first one on in Fairy. Okay. Oh, I need to go the other way. Well, that's not ideal. Came apart. Okay, got it in the first one. Let's move this over. I guess we'll continue with the chair. Alright, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Oh, that's what I did wrong. Okay. It snaps when it's in place, and I think that snap is just a little higher on pulse. Yep. So I'll have to take out the other 2. So here's what I mean. It didn't fully come together like it's supposed to at right below the 9. So instead, once you get it so that the middle is at about the same place as that gap, then it kind of sticks together better. Still not all the way. I don't know what's up with that, but Okay, now we're going to put on the next one. Okay. So I'm just going to slide this to where I want it. Oh, come on. Don't be like that. Okay, so I'm going to count the amount of little, I don't know, segments. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I'm going to do it on 10. Did I count that one as one of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops. It's on top. It's on top. Okay. And let's see. Top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. Oops. Okay, then we're just going to lower the shelf onto this. I'll go ahead and do all of the shelves. Well, all of them that I can. We don't have quite enough of the plastic pieces. Now the next two I want to be closer to each other because they are, the top two, this one will have natural light and a light from the grow tree. This one will have natural light from the grow tree. But this one will have its own grow light. The next one will have its own grow light. The bottom one probably will be just used for supplies for the moment. So let's see. We want our grow light to start out close, but to have room to move as the plants grow. Actually, I'm probably just going to do it 10 as well. So I sped this part up because it was a little bit boring and tedious to watch since I was just doing the same thing as I did on the last video. But I thought I would take this moment to answer a question you might have, which is, what are the two rectangles on the back wall? Those are actually the doors to the cabinets in our laundry room. We got them painted, but it's a little challenging to hang them up, so we have not done that yet. We also need to buy new hinges. I'm a little bit worried about whether two of these will hold a whole shelf. Let's see. I'm going to go upstairs and see if I can find any more. I didn't find any more, so let's try and stand this thing up. Nope. Okay, I didn't take that into account. Okay. Sorry, you ended up getting a very close-up look at my butt. I feel like that happens frequently on this channel. Not sure what's up with that. Okay. Doesn't seem the most stable and sturdy, probably because it doesn't have the other parts below it, but it'll work. It isn't perfect, but it is going to hold the plants up. And really, at the end of the day, that's all I need. So that's it for this video. I will have a part 2 in a day or so where I actually show the veggies that I'm planting.